Hey guys, it's Kia back with another video, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing on Scentbird. It's like a perfume. I think they have other products as well, but I'm interested in the perfumes, and so it's like a subscription every month. And what you do is, I think it's like $14 or something a month, and where each month you pick 3, and then each month they give you a new scent. So this is how the packaging look, and I'm kind of excited but kind of nervous just because I don't know exactly how it smells. But yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm gonna open it up. I'm like fingers crossed, hopefully it smells good, because I'm like a person that's into smelling good. Like, if you ask anyone that knows me, they'll tell you, like, yeah, she cares about how she smells. But yes, what's in the package is this like little, it says hello beautiful, and it looks like that. And that's used in that little capsule that she has, is pretty much how it comes. But it says, hello beautiful, we are thrilled to welcome you to the magic of Scentbird. Your monthly perfume fix has arrived. How to use: you twist to spray, twist to close, just like lipstick. How to replace: twist, pull up old vial to remove, drop in a new scent. Oh, okay, so I guess you keep the same vial, but every time you get the scent in the mail, you just put it right inside of that thing. And then it say, basically, if you need to, you know, if you hate the scent, you can go to your profile, change it, stuff like that. You can update your queue, and yeah, so that's that. And then this one, I think it's just a scent that they have, like something that you could try. So that comes in there. This one is called Bella Essence. So yeah. And then this is the one that I'm trying right here. So Versace Dylan Blue. And it tells you on the back right here, like, what ingredients is in there and what, you know, what scent you like or whatever. So this one that I'm getting, it says Dylan Blue feature crisp citrus, dark fig, aquatic, acids against regal violets, a bold black pepper, a sweet smoky base of tonka, incense, and warm saffron anchors. So bergamot, grapefruit, incense, violet leaf, and pepper. So yes, that's what it looks like, and that's the smells that's in there. And then it even comes in like a little like bag. So I guess like if you're traveling with it, like you can just slip it in there, and yeah, it comes with that. That's nice, it's cute. So this is how it looks. It do look like a lipstick tube. And that's what it says. My light's kind of bright. I'm trying to, yeah. Now for the best part. Hopefully it smells good, cause, well, seems to smell good. I'm gonna spray it on and see how my chemistry. It actually, what's crazy is it actually kind of smell like something a guy will wear, but it smells good. It's just like, it kind of smells like a men's cologne. I don't know. It smells good though. Like, I don't know. I definitely will wear it. It probably will smell better like after getting out of the shower, like freshly out the shower, just spray it on. Yeah, it smells really good. But yes, this was a quick video. I know I haven't really put out any like videos, you know, constantly or consistently. I'm gonna try to get better, you know. I kind of really want to get a new camera because I mean I've been recording on my phone. I'm saving up to get a new camera so the quality is better. I mean it's not bad, but it's just kind of like you just want it to be, you know, that crisp look. Like I want to start taking pictures, like nice little Instagram pictures and stuff. And y'all can follow me on my Instagram. It's basically the same name that I have for my YouTube. It's Kea, Kea _ Helena, Halena. And then also follow me on Snapchat, which is Boss Lady Kea. So BOSSLADY _ Kea, Kea. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends. Shout out to my YouTube friends who is Curltalk, Honestea. That's my little bestie. Ian Lowe. Go watch their vlogs. I'm gonna tag all of their everybody's YouTube and their Instagram as well. Those are some cool people, and I would definitely like to collab one of these days when the COVID stuff kind of cease. So hopefully next year that'll be something to think about. So yes, those are my two people. I'm meeting a lot of nice new people as well. So yes, continue to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I don't get that many views or follows or anything like that, but I'm gonna keep going at it. I'm not gonna give up. But yes, thank you guys, those who are watching. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.